You just saw the world's first flying vacuum cleaner. This is an exclusive because this product hasn't hit the market yet, an automatic window cleaner. My friends, how are you? I'm Nishudo, and I'm really excited because you're going to join me at Consumer Electronics Show 2026, Consumer Electronics Show 2026 in Las Vegas, Nevada. The tech event, or one of the most important tech events worldwide, and one of the biggest ones. So let's head to the airport in Mexico City, and our next destination is Las Vegas. I'm a bit disorganized and I'm already running a little late. Let's finish packing and head to the airport in Mexico City to go to this new edition of Consumer Electronics Show 2026 in Las Vegas. We're already in Las Vegas, ready for Consumer Electronics Show. It's a bit late now. Look, there's the strip. So today we're going to sleep early, rest, have a good dinner, so tomorrow we can be at our best and show you all the innovation and everything new at Consumer Electronics Show. We're ready to go to Consumer Electronics Show and showcase all the innovation and technology. It's amazing to be here. Today we're going to the convention center at the Venetian, which is another venue. It's pretty cool, and before that we're going to get a good coffee. I love the lemon pound cake from Starbucks. I know it's not healthy, but every time I come here I take the chance to have it. It has a unique flavor and goes great with good coffee. So let's eat. It's finally here. I'm excited for Consumer Electronics Show to start. We'll see new innovations and visit the Mova booth. Alright, now it's really happening. I'm so excited. Let's go to Consumer Electronics Show. We're going to see all the technology, all the new things, all the gadgets, all the AI, because this is also the year of AI. So many things. We're going to that hotel over there, which is the Venetian. Let's go to Mova. Come with me. We're already at the Mova booth, and well, I think we're in a pretty ideal spot for me, especially with how my hair is right now. For example, here is the Aero C, which is a smart hair dryer. Right now you can see in the background how it works, and it's great because it dries your hair but it doesn't burn it. There are other models like the smaller travel-friendly Master 10 or the Shine 20, so many options. I'll get straight to the point and show you how I like it. Good thing I'm here. The wind really messed up my hair. I'll show you something exclusive. This product, the X5 Ultra Stream, is a prototype and not yet on the market. When you press this button, it guides you from the start. I don't have to do much. If I go back, it moves my hand, which is great. And just like an iron, when you press this button, it will release water to remove the toughest stains. Remember, it's a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, so you can mop and vacuum simultaneously. Your house will be very clean, especially with special products for a perfect finish. Now check this out, look at the heat mark left here. That's how you can tell it's doing a deep clean. And since it uses heat, it's going to disinfect all the germs, all the bacteria, all the viruses. Pretty cool stuff here. I'll keep showing you interesting products. I have the M10. Have you seen it on the channel? Let's see what else Mova has at Consumer Electronics Show. Hey, honestly, everything they're doing is really impressive because there are details. Even in the toothbrushes, look, with this toothbrush you just have to put it on your teeth and it works by itself. That's the rhythm to use when brushing your teeth, since dentists, or at least my dentist, say you just need to brush from top to bottom, not scrub. So look, with this toothbrush, you just put it on and it does the job by itself. Pretty cool, everything that's here at Mova Consumer Electronics Show 2026. Vacuuming and mopping are things of the past. Mova does an amazing job. It's truly insane. Now they've just shown us this vacuum cleaner that climbs stairs. So, if that used to be an issue with robot vacuums, because if you had 2 or 3 floors, you needed 2 or 3 vacuums, now that's no longer necessary. One can do it, that smart Mova vacuum climbs floors, but if you want something even crazier, now they're going to show us. That drone actually flies the vacuum to other floors intelligently using AI. And you'll be able to vacuum not just your whole house, but even the ceiling. It's really crazy. Hey, and Mova is even in the gardens. Here we have smart robots. There are even 4X4S. They have a LiDAR sensor and artificial intelligence cameras with AI. And what it does is always keep your garden perfect. It will mow the grass, water it, and leave it so you don't have to do anything anymore. What blows my mind the most is how we're reaching that point where AI, robots, and big brands are doing everything for us and our jobs. It's really going to be more about supervising, and everything will be done through an app. It's truly crazy. They even have industrial pool cleaners. If that wasn't enough, if you're too lazy to clean your window, it's not just lazy, it's dangerous and tedious. An automatic window cleaner, look, it's for indoors and outdoors. And you no longer have to deal with cleaning the window yourself. You just put the solution in your Mova window cleaner, and it will do everything for you. Well, here we have more things. We have a grill that's for indoor and outdoor use, for indoors and outdoors. We have one of the quietest blenders in the world. We have more coffee makers. You already know I love coffee, and this one is super cool. It's like a little toy, a portable coffee maker that makes all kinds of coffee in a smart way. And what I love is the size. How are we doing in the smart vacuum area? Many of these will surely be seen very soon in the Mexican market. There's an ideal vacuum for every user, but we're reaching that point where it won't even be necessary to vacuum or mop anymore. I'm impressed. We have different models. For example, this one here, which is the S70 Ultra. I almost knocked over the sign. This is where you put the water tank. This is where the dust goes, and you don't have to do anything else except refill it with water. Just empty the container to remove dust, and the vacuum will handle everything else. As mentioned, different models have sensors, LiDAR, and many features. It would take me the whole video to explain them all, but I just got one, so you can go check it out on my Instagram profile. Remember, it's still a prototype, but you just saw the world's first flying vacuum cleaner. It's a drone that flies. You can clean all the floors in your house. It automatically connects to the drone, which makes it lift off. Then it will go to the floors. Thanks to its sensors and AI, it has a map of your house and knows exactly where to enter, whether through a window or stairs. The future is here. Here we have it up close. And not only that, we also saw the world's first vacuum cleaner that can climb stairs. Now one can do the job instead of several. We saw how you can clean pools and windows, coffee machines, and many other things. Here at the fashion booth, I loved it. It always surprises me. It never stops amazing me.